Hey, Cardi. Oh, yes, I love you too. Hey friends, so today we're going to be painting this wagon that's right back here. Our neighbors gave it to us. It's put in our backyard and put flowers in. I'm super excited about it, but they had mentioned or suggested that we paint it or stain it or put something on it to weatherproof it. And so of course I want to paint it and I want to put a little flower design on it. So today we're at least going to paint it the base color, which is actually the color from our kitchen. We had it left over and it's just kind of like a beigey gray, and I think it'll be a nice base to be outside in the nature. So I'm going to do it that color, and then if I have time I'm going to go in with colorful paints and put flowers on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to that today, but it'll at least be in this video. So for now, let's just go get started. Okay, so this is day 2 of this project. I didn't have time to finish it last weekend, but that's okay. I need to learn how to be patient anyways. This is helping me learn that. Projects will be better if you just take your time and not rush through them. So it's been 5 days. It's the next weekend. I'm just getting my paints out and we're gonna get rolling. Okay, it's been 3 weeks, a month since the last clip you just saw like 2 seconds ago. Life's been crazy, but I'm back and hopefully I can finish this wagon today because summer is here. It's July 1st and I need to get this wagon in the yard with the flowers in it so I can enjoy it and it can look nice, and I'm just done waiting. So today is the day we're gonna get it done and we'll wrap this video up, and I hope you enjoy. So I love the flowers on here, and I thought it looked great, and I was like, wow, I love all the flowers, I love the colors, everything that's going on, but I knew I could step it up. Like, I knew there was one more thing I could do to just make it really pop and be like, wow. Which, now that I'm doing that, so I put the black in the center of the flowers to kind of give them a tiny bit of detail, make them pop, because I started thinking this is going to be like back in the lawn. So you're not always going to see it close up, so you kind of need things to stand out more. So I put the black in the flowers, and now I'm going in with a light blue and just adding some accents in on the leaves, and ooh, it's giving me goosebumps. It's coming together. I'm so happy with it, and oh, I'm excited to keep going. Thanks for sticking around today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun making it, and I'm so happy with how it came out. So if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more artsy stuff, and until next time, bye guys.